Hi, can I get the new pumpkin spice blizzard?
Yeah, what size?
Can I get the mini size?
Mini, okay. Anything else?
That's about it.
Sorry?
That's everything.
Just the one mini blizzard, correct?
Yeah, thank you.
420 dash 2. There you go.
Thank you.
There you go.
Is it good, this one?
I haven't tried it, but it's pretty popular.
Yeah?
People
Okay.
ordering it, so I guess it's good.
Yeah, okay, bye. Let's try it out. Oh. Wow, it's good smelling the ice cream already, yeah? Alright guys, I think my park up, of course, you already know. You already know. You already know it's a fly thing out here. It's a fly MUNDO world we in. Alright, let's try it out. Let's try this bad boy out right now, dog. Yeah. Let's try it out. Hey yo, what's good everybody? Fly Lopez here with another fly video. I had to try this blizzard out, guys. I think it's been around last year, but it's only here for like a month and then it goes away. Let me show you guys. Wow, it's not even like packed, you know? It should have been more packed. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is gorgeous, just like you, baby. Wow. It's melting. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm not even. Is it better here? No, it would have, but that's in the way. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm not even like lying. I think this is like so far really, really good. Has like a kind of like, I think, a pumpkin spice pieces or something. Kind of tastes like a sweet cookie. Has a little bit of spice, pumpkin spice in it. You already know how to bring Flowcita with me. I need some memories with her. Wow. Look at this ice cream. Oh my gosh. Wow. How much else am I gonna say? Want your cookie, baby? Honestly, guys, I'm gonna give her a cookie. Look. That's it. That's all you're getting is a little lick. I don't want you to have too much of it. It's not good for you. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm actually loving this right now. Honestly, Minis are a good size. You know how much the minis guys used to be? $1.99. Now it's $3.99. It's like it went up, obviously, because minimum wage went up. Delicioso. Oh my god. Wow. If anyone watching this, you guys like pumpkin spice, anything, you will like this ice cream. Amazing. What's she doing right now? Hey! What you doing, girl? Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video. I don't want to make it too long. Really good ice cream, dairyqueen. I give it a thumbs up. That means just approval. Guys, go buy it now before it's gone. So guys, let's get about 20 likes. Oh yeah, she also gave me, what a sweetheart, she gave me a $1. $1 off your Blizzard. I'll be back probably next week because I want to try the Oreo cookie. Oreo, I think, no, mint Oreo cookie. I think that's what it's called. I'm gonna try it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just remember one thing though, I'll be back though. Yeah. Stay fly.